Hey, let's look at the market today. It is August 4th, and we're looking around 10:30 Eastern, well, 10:36 Eastern, 9:36 Central, and we're looking at the Nasdaq. All right, so we have a two contract scalp, and we're looking right now. The direction seems to be a mini long, right? Mini uptrend. You still have the 50 average, 20 average. Not quite sequential what it is to downside, so be careful, right? You got a higher high here that hasn't been broken. So we'll keep an eye on this area, which is around 55.40. Nice drop. All right, it's fair by trade, guys. Let's look at the market for what it is. Let's hope it does something. All right, so you guys tell me what you're looking for and how you guys would play this trade. Are you waiting for resistance up here, or are you waiting for it to drop back down and possibly go short? All right, so let's see what we have. We have a little doji here, so you can play up or down. Make sure you have your exit, and let's see what's going to take us. And we are looking at other charts too. All right, so we have the ES here. It could be moving. Looking at the Russell, that was on a move at about 10 o'clock. It was moving. So when you look at this, all right, it started creeping up around. We just missed it around 9:30. But let's see where it's taking us. Anybody's longing this off of this bullish candlestick here? Maybe with an exit. Or are you looking to possibly short it on a downtrend motion? What are you guys looking for? Either way, have your stop, okay? Let's see if this candlestick is going to take out this candlestick, or are we going to still go up as far as trending up? All right. Just be patient. It's not going to be a long video, but hopefully a substantial video where we can identify a trade, long or short. All right, let's see what kind of market we're working with, and just keep your eyes open, guys. Just keep your eyes open. Yes, is kind of in that same mode, except for the resistance is pretty much up here. But let's see. Let's see what we have here, guys. Got a few seconds left. I mean, we could be looking for a play on the Nasdaq right here, guys. I'm not sure. Kind of wanted to come down and show me a little bit of support. It could drop all the way down here. So even though it's stepping up, step one, step two, step right here, it could step up again, but let's give it some time. Right, 50 and a 20 is the first signal possibly for a long trade. Well, let's see if it's going to drop back down. Let's see if we're going to catch this one for a swing, or are we looking the ES could eventually be a nice long trade. Let's see, guys. Let's see. Maybe ranging for a second if this candlestick doesn't do much. So let's see what we're working with. The Dow and the Russell, they're moving pretty good, right? You have the Russell here. Man, look at this ride. All right, don't chase it, but look at this move here. It's a sexy move, guys. But you would have caught it somewhere down here, maybe here. If you would have looked at this as a resistance turned support. Good stuff, man. Dow. Look at the Dow, right? Jumped up and kept going. Usually what it does. Alright, so what we're looking at in NASDAQ right now, you kind of want to see, we're looking to take out a nice looking candle. This is a nice looking candle, but let's see what this resistance is going to take it out. So let's see. Let's be patient. If you want to take this trade with your exit here, just be ready, right? Just be ready. Just be ready, guys. There we go. Nice trade. Nice pullback. Let's see what's going to pull back to the average. And when it does pull back to the average, let's see what it does. All right. Let's see how it reacts to the averages, guys. Pull back. One. Let's see if we can catch another one. We've got about 55 seconds. Let's let it play out. We missed a quick rally right here, so that'd have been a good one. We missed it, but it's okay. You know, we're gonna miss these trades more than likely. So let's see if we're gonna be able to catch one here. Maybe a small grab. Maybe. Yeah, maybe a small grab, but any grab is good grab, right? So let's play for what it is. 18 seconds left. Let's see if we can catch it off of here, or it's going to drop down and swing down here. Either way, we maybe have one here, we have one here. So let's see if it's going to support. I mean, to me, it's a nice trade. Gotta be careful. It's a nice stick that took out this one, but I'm curious if I can catch a quick jump. As soon as it turns green, there we go. And let's see if I can. Oh, got me out. That was pretty quick. All right, we'll let that slide. That's one. That is one, guys. I'm gonna try it again. I'm gonna try it again, guys. I'm gonna try it again. I'm gonna try it again. I want to see if it'll reward me all my good efforts to follow my rule, which is the moving average. The candlestick came down, gave me a little entry, right? And I played it. All right, it pulled back here. Didn't do anything, pull back here, closer to the average. I'd rather take that average and run, right? And what I'm doing here, put myself more in profit. And honestly, man, this is just be my only trade if it hits. And what I want to do is, since I'm in the golden ticket, let's just move this higher, right? Any profit that I make above here, I'm good. So if it hits my target, I'm happy. I'm not disappointed. I made some money. I made 200 on the first pull, and now we're up. Let me see. I made some money earlier, so I was at 830. So I just made $100, right? That one trade, well, $200 that one trade actually. Yep. All right. What we're gonna do? Let's change the. All right. So. All right, how are we playing this right here, right? So what I'm thinking is I still want to go long, right? I think, I'm not saying it could be done with the downside, but I'll be risking it. But I'm okay to jump the gun on some of these trades that are in motion to go up, right? Even if it takes me out, I'll take that one out, right? To possibly, if it comes down even a little bit more, pull back more, I'll be happy to maybe take the trade again. But you gotta be careful, right? So where do you get in? You know where your out is. Your out is likely wherever your stop is. So if you can grab one take profit, you'll be good. And that's true, guys. And I'm okay with that. I'm okay with losing on that. Probably done now. We do two. Maybe I'll wait till it comes down a little further, if it's playing. And let's see. It may cross up now, right? We're still in motion for green. So I want to go again, guys. And hopefully this time it rewards me. And this time I'm going to let it fly a little higher. Maybe up here if it wants to give me some love. If not, I'm probably done. Right, there we go. Alright. So 3 bad trades, right? Which pushed me down to 330 on those 3 bad trades, right? And now I figured I should probably just, maybe my exit should have been under there, but we're not going to stop. Let's see if it wants to produce another candlestick, right? And a little pullback, I may have to just run with it. Let's see if it wants to drop back down. It gave me a 3 candlestick confirmation, and I'm okay with that. Let's come back a little bit more. Let's see. Come on. There we go. Alright, we're still looking for a long, guys. We're not looking to short. We're still looking for long. And let's wait for the averages to catch up. 20 looks like it could be the first one reacting. So if it comes somewhere down here, more than likely, after this candlestick tells me what it wants to do. So I'm not going to shoot it again because it's like it's coming down pretty hard. And I did take 3 bad trades on here, right? But it was a $100 loss each one, versus you moved your stop, you'll be down to 50, and with a 10-point volatility, it could definitely damage that trade in energy, right? It made a new low. I actually like that it did, but I'm a little too late now. So let's see what it's going to form after this time is up. 20 seconds. Be patient. Don't rush. No need to rush. No need to rush. Let's see what we're aiming to do now. All right, let's see. All right. Pull a bear move on me, but I'm still kind of excited about this push. And it's kind of tricky, guys, so be careful. I'm still looking forward to maybe come down here. I mean, my stop will be pretty. Let's do it. Let's just see if that's the way of the movement, and let's see if we can hit my first target without adjusting my stop. Right, that's the goal, man. I don't want to adjust my stop, because if you do, you'll be risk losing more money than what you want, right? So is it fair to just keep your stop the same? Yes. Whether it takes you out or not, don't let your stop go against you, right? You can always get back into the trade. Now I can feel comfortable taking it off of this 20. Nope. X. And let's see if the 20 is gonna hold it. Right? Let's see if hits my target, and will it actually hold it. Hadn't hit the 20 in a while, so let's see if this could be the move. If it doesn't hit, that's perfectly fine. I'm not gonna move my stop. Let's see if we can grab a little bit. All right, let's just try. You can't be afraid to show like your losses. This is a sim account, right? So I made plenty of good trades. Had a little confidence in that one. Maybe overtraded it. Probably just did one time and see if it was gonna jump. Maybe got in a little too prematurely. Didn't really adhere to the the stop. I kind of like this trade though, guys. I'm not gonna lie. I like that trade. Yeah, look at that. Came down, showed what it was made of, right? Came down here, came down again, made a higher high. So now I'm not. I actually may stay in till I get up here, if it holds me in, right? Each trade is a $200 trade. As you can see, down 310, it was down more. And let's see if it takes this candlestick out. Still nice, quick scalp, right? Maybe he had 3 contracts. That would have been a nice jump up. So let's see if it's going to take this bar out, which to me is a significant bar because it made a swing low. I'm comfortable with that jump up. And let's see if, honestly, if I can put myself back in green, without it taking me out. If it does, it does. If it doesn't, it doesn't. But guess where we're going, right? If it does keep going up, I want to swing for the fences, which is up here, right? And let's just watch the money grow, right? So let's see. I'm not adding any more contracts. Let's see if I can get in the green. And we've got 2 contracts on the NASDAQ, right? But my loss is only 100, maybe 110. But my 2 take profits end up being 400, right? So one trade would take you where you need to be. And honestly, one trade can make you $400 each day, each trade. That's $100,000 a year. You could just do one, I end up trying to do 3. So let's see, guys, if this trade is going to continue up, and we'll be right back. All right, guys, this trade is still going. As you can see, we made it into this area, and we're just gonna wait. You just had to watch the money pile. We're still going up. We're up 760 on this trade, but we're up 550 altogether, right? So, just remember, guys, I took losses. I was down 210 or 310, right? And look what I did. We're coming back and making that 400, which you wanted to keep your $100,000 for the year, and you do that every day, right? Sometimes it's going to be faster than others, but what we want to do here is honestly wait for this candlestick to run, and look where our profit is. Technically, I'm going to let it be this here. Probably just stop here. But let's go. We got 20 seconds. Not a fool, so let's let it sit under here. And let's see if it's going to finish closer to the top. Honestly, guys, this is the last trade. I'm not trading after this. So I'm going to close it out after this trade stops. I need this to stay green, and I'm going to pull it up a little bit more right under it. And we'll stay here. This candlestick can easily get taken out, so we'll put it in profit. And man, look at her go. Look at this, guys. Beautiful push up. It may hang here. Come on, if it touches this, guys, we may be in business. We may be in business. And it's only been 30 minutes. Come on, man, 30 minutes. And I'm a full-time worker, right? I'm off today. But look at that. When it hit it, just hit it for me. And I'm going to go ahead and put this halfway. And if it takes me out, I'm okay with that. If it just keeps climbing and head up here, we're going to stick with that too. Let's see. Be patient. Let this run. I'm just off today trying to trade. I'm not live trading, but come on, guys. We can live trade anytime. Every trade is the same. Sim live. And there we go. We're going to end there. And what a trading day, guys. 750, all of those couple of losses. So let's just keep trading. Understand your risk, right? You don't want to lose more than what your account can handle. And you just keep trading the trend. right? It came above the 20 and the 50 moving average. MACD line was above the signal line, and we look for a signal. We caught it here, and look at it ride, right? It's fair by trade, guys. We'll post some more videos. Just keep a lookout and subscribe if you want to. Leave a comment if you want to. Either way, we're going to keep posting some trades. You guys have any questions, let me know. Let me know where you would have gotten in. Let me know where you would have gotten out. Let me know if I could have done something different, right? Everybody trades differently. So come on, let's support each other, right? Everybody trades. Just trade forever, all right? Have a good weekend, guys.